everyone, thanks for tuning in to our first grab and go craft of the summer. So for today's video, we're going to show you how to make a rainbow wind chime. So if you guys are excited, stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, for this craft, the first thing you're going to want to do is get your colorful craft sticks and form them into 2 triangles. After you have them in their triangles, what you're going to want to do is glue them so they stay in place. So I'm using hot glue. You can use whatever glue you have. They should overlap like this, and remember to use different colors. So after they've dried and I have my 2 triangles, the next step is to go ahead and with the 2 triangles to form a star. And once you have the star shape, you're going to want to glue the 2 triangles together, making sure that it is in a star shape. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use some string. I'm using elastic string here, and I'm going to go ahead and place a large bead on one end of the string and pull the other end up so it holds the bead at the bottom. Then I'm going to go grab the 2 ends of the string, hold them close together like this, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start beading the other beads. And so you can alternate the colored beads. Remember, we're going for a rainbow wind chime, so use different colored beads and go ahead and feel free to alternate them. So what I did was I made 3 beads of the same length, and then I made 1 long bead that's going to go through the center of the rainbow wind chime. So with the 3 beads that are the same length, you're going to want to place them through the holes in the star. There should be 3 holes that you can place them through. So that's the first hole, and then I'm going to go ahead and place the second one in the second hole, and then you'll do the same thing with the third one. Just like so. And then the long bead, which is going to go through the center of the star, will go all the way through the center. Okay, so it should look something like this. This one is just showing the 3 beads of equal length, and if you notice, I ended the beads with a larger bead so that it wouldn't go through the hole of the star. So I used the 3 large red beads at the top, and you see they won't pull through, which is the goal. After that, once I place the 4th long string of beads as well, I'm going to go ahead and try and gather all the strings and make sure that they fit in one of the large beads so that they can all be united through this one. And just like this, so you can see all 3 strings with the 4th center string, they all line up at the center and fit through one large bead. And it should look something like this when you're done. Now you'll have a rainbow wind chime. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to our first grab and go craft of the summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed making your rainbow wind chimes. Remember to tune in every week for some more grab and go crafts. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for crafting with Chris.